Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin, thumma salatu wassalamu ala Rasulullah, ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. We're talking about decimal places. So, the question says simplify and correct to 3 decimal places. So, firstly, let's talk about what decimal place means. So, it means that the numbers after the point, the decimal point. So, that's if you want to correct to 3 decimal place, 4 decimal place, n decimal place. So start from what? From the point. For example, if you are given what? 76.326. So we have to correct to 1 decimal place. That means, so we are focusing on what? Just only the first figure after the decimal points. So we want to correct to decimal place. So after focusing on the what, the first one, since we are correcting to what, 1 dp, 1 decimal place, so we are focusing on just the first figure after what, after the decimal place. So after the decimal point, if you are to correct to 2 decimal place, so the first two, the what, 1 2, so this second figure, we are to correct to decimal place, we are to focus our decimal place 2. So, or if it's what, 3 decimal place, so the third what, the third figure after decimal point. So for example, so let's say we are converting to what, do decimal place. So that means we have to focus on what, the second number after what, after decimal place. So we have to check, so the number that follows what, that follows the second number after decimal point, we are going to check the number. So if you have a number from 1 to 4, so we have to leave our what, the second decimal point, and decimal the second number after the decimal point will be what, will be the same. But if the number after the figure we want to focus our decimal place on is between 5 to 9, so we have to add 1 to the what, to the number we are focusing our decimal place to. For example, now we have 76.326, so and we are correcting to 2 decimal place, so that means we have what, we have 76.33. Why is it 33? The number after the 2 is what, is between 5 to 9, which is 6, so we have to add 1 to what, this. For example, but now let's say we are want to correct to 1 decimal place, so we have 76.32. We are okay, sorry, we are converted to 1 decimal place, so we have 76.3. Why? Because the 2 after the 3 is what, is between the first what category, which is from 1 to what, 4, so we are not to add any number to it. So now let's solve this question. So we have 11.416 0.4634 25.40033. So we have to add this together. So 3797, that's 212. We add, put our 1 here, so 27, and this one is what, 3. So we have 37.27973. so we have to correct to what, 3 decimal places here. So we have count the numbers after the decimal point, 1 2 3. So we are focusing our what, decimal place on this. So the number after it is 7, so it's in the category of 5 to 6. So you have to correct to 3 decimal place, so will be 37.27. okay, 2, if you add 1 to 9, it will be 0, so it will affect this one. This one will be what, 8, since the 7 is what 5 to 6, is between 5 to 6. So the one will be added to this, so it will become this. So that's our answer. Subhanaka bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.